We know that eating well starts with cooking at home, and it can be easier than you think with just a little planning. Healthy Meal Plans is here to take the stress out of your weekly meal planning by offering simple tools that you can come back to week after week after week. First, select the recipes that you love. All of our recipes are fresh, fuss-free, and made with real food. No hard to pronounce ingredients here. Plus, we've got more than 1,000 delicious ideas to choose from and lots of fancy filters to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Next, create your meal plan for the week. This is as easy as dragging and dropping your favorite dishes into your weekly calendar. You can add as many recipes as you'd like and track your daily calorie intake while you're at it. Finally, when you're ready to hit the supermarket, generate your grocery list with just the click of a button. You can set the number of servings per recipe, add any extras to your list, and check items off as you shop. Then simply get home and get cooking. If you're hoping for a little more guidance to get your eating back on track, try one of our specialty meal plans. These nutritionally balanced meal plans were created by our in-house dietitian and come packed with delicious ideas you'll love. We've also got meal plans tailored specifically for different dietary preferences, so there's really something for everyone. And the best part, all of our specialty meal plans are completely customizable. So you can add, remove, or swap recipes depending on your personal tastes. And you can revisit them over and over again. Healthy Meal Plans is a simple, stress-free, and sustainable way to keep your eating on track each and every week. Join our growing community today.